If you're a personal injury attorney, do you need to market yourself as aggressive? Hi, I'm Charley Mann over at Great Legal Marketing, and one of the things that we often hear about are what should my tagline be for my law firm? And well, taglines are sort of a whole other set and subject on their own. One of the words that comes up so frequently, especially for personal injury attorneys, is that word aggressive. We aggressively fight for you. These words that imply a certain amount of power and gusto to what's going on. Now the question is, are those words worthwhile in your marketing? So the general answer is, unfortunately not. And the reason actually isn't because they're bad words necessarily. They can actually be very good words used in the right context. As a matter of fact, I would fight for the use of the word aggressive in the right opportunity. However, when it's used in a slogan like, we're aggressive and we care for you, that's the message that people are hearing from so many other attorneys that it loses most of its meaning and its value. What you need to do is you need to stand apart from all those other attorneys out there who only say that they are aggressive and that they care. You should care. People should assume that you care. The fact that it needs to be said is probably a problem for those other law firms. If you really care about your clients and you really are going to fight for them, how can you better express that to them? How can you educate the process that you're going to go through in order to best serve them? Because really what people want is they don't just want someone who's out there with boxing gloves up, throwing punches and growling or whatever it is. What they're really looking for is someone who can unburden. They're looking for emotional help. They're looking for a person who can say, look, being in a car accident sucks. It really does. And I know right now you've got these insurance adjusters who are coming in from both sides, talking you up and everything. And they're asking about medical bills. They want you to sign this, that, and the other thing. And you don't want to make a mistake. Like, you don't want to make a huge financial mistake that you're not going to be able to recover all your medical bills. You're not going to be able to recover all your lost wages, much less some pain and suffering because someone really messed up your life. I want to talk with you about your case. I want to find the right strategy for your case so that way you come out with a life that is as good as possible on the other side of all of this. One of my tactics in the midst of all this is I will doggedly and aggressively pursue the insurance company for a fair settlement for you because, look, I'll be honest, my fees are tied to yours. If your fees are really high, I get paid better. I have an incentive, a financial incentive for your case to do really, really, really well. So obviously I'm gonna be extremely aggressive on your behalf. But more than being aggressive to the insurance company, I'm gonna be really fair to you. I'm gonna keep you informed. I'm gonna make sure you know what's going on in your case so that way there's not some blind settlement going on behind your back, which yes, some other attorneys basically engage in and surprise their clients with settlements that really don't make any sense, at least not if they were in my law firm. So I'm gonna keep you in the loop. I'm gonna make you a partner and basically a family member in this case, and that's my commitment to you. So do you see how that kind of changes the whole story? That changes the relationship significantly. It's not just I'm a hired gun. It's I'm someone who's gonna be part of your world. I'm not an outsider. We're gonna become insiders together. And that positioning can change the game entirely. So in terms of using the word aggressive, I mean, that shouldn't be all that you are. Aggressive is just part of what you do. Now, if you're interested in learning how to use words better like this and how to construct really compelling messages and irresistible offers for potential clients, there's going to be some information floating around the screen near me. Go ahead and check that out. And if you're a member and you want to reach out directly to me with questions about this and any other type of languaging, messaging, etc., you know I am always there for you.